Hello guys, welcome to the actuality. Myths. They are something which explains some aspect of nature or accounted for some human action. Oh, sorry. I guess I said this already in the previous episode. If you missed it, check out the link given in the description below. Now let's get on to the video right away. Napoleon Bonaparte was a very small and short person. His height was said to be somewhere between 5 to 5'5" feet. In fact, Napoleon was 5'7" tall, taller than the 18th century Frenchman. He was called Le Petit Corporal, which means the little corporal. Early in his military career, soldiers used to mock his relatively low rank. The name stuck even as he became the ruler of the whole of France. If we shave our hair, it returns thicker and faster. This might be the mostly popular myth amongst youth. Well, I'm sorry to burst your bubble, guys. The studies being conducted since the 1920s show the exact opposite results. Waxing and cutting hair won't accelerate its growth, and the hair won't definitely return thicker and darker. Hair growth heavily relies on the food we eat and also on our age. As we grow older, hair growth increases whether or not we shave. Most likely shown in the movies, many people believe that we only use 10% of our brain. Even to this day, many people believe this to be true. Brain represents 3% of the body weight and uses 20% of the body energy. Brain researchers using imaging technology has shown that like the body's muscles, most of the neurons in our brain are active over a 24-hour period. Almost all of us think that piranhas are dangerous flesh-eating creatures, right? Well, most of us are wrong in thinking that piranhas can devour a human body in a matter of seconds. In reality, piranhas are really timid and cautious fish. In fact, no cases of human death from piranhas attacks have ever been recorded. Yet another myth that we see regularly in movies and believe to be true. Chloroform, unlike shown in several movies, can knock a person out in a matter of seconds and within a few breaths of the person, and they stay knocked out for an infinite period of time. In reality, chloroform can take several minutes before the person can feel its effects, and this effect only lasts for a short while, instead of knocking them out for hours. It is many people believe that many of the world's renowned scientists fell in their lower or higher schools, and many students are wrongly led into believing that failing initially is not a big deal at all. One such myth they all believe is about Albert Einstein and that he was an underachiever in school. I don't know who fed you that myth, because Einstein excelled at school. He was the most brilliant student of all the pupils he was studying with. Another such famous myth that we most commonly notice everywhere, and that includes movies, is that drowning victims always call for help with their hands raised up in air. In real life conditions, it is very difficult to notice a drowning victim. Forget saving them. We can hardly see them because it is difficult for a drowning person to call for help, and that too by screaming at the top of their lungs. And that's a wrap, guys. If you enjoyed this video and wanna hear from me again, be sure to hit that like button and comment below in the comment section which myth you like the most before you go. If you enjoyed this video, please do watch other videos too, and I hope you get more than what you're looking for on my channel. See you guys next Sunday with another wonderful video. Until then, I say goodbye with the hope that we would meet again next Sunday. Thank you for your time.